video, we will learn a very good technique that how a user can create timestamp in Microsoft Excel. So first we will be inserting checkboxes and then we will be applying a formula. But initially we have to do one settings in the file tab, which is we will click on the file tab option, then formula section, then and we need to enable iterative calculation first. So let's do it. So the file tab is available on the top left side of your application. Click on it and then go to options. Now you can see Excel option windows. Here you have to click on formulas and make sure that you check enable iterative calculation and then press OK. All right. So now we need to add some checkbox. So for those of you who are not using Excel 365 latest version, all right. So for traditional users who are not using Excel 365, they can go to developer tab, OK, and then click on insert. And from here within the form controls category, you can use this checkbox. And you need to connect with the blank cell to generate a boolean value, either a true or false in cell, which will be linked by this box. Now I have Excel 365 available with me, so I will be inserting checkboxes from the insert tab. And you can see the checkbox is right here. So I will click on it and I got my checkbox. Now when I check on this checkbox, it generates true inside this cell. And when I uncheck this, it generates false, as you can see on the formula bar. Okay. So that when you check, this generates true. When you uncheck, this generates false. Okay, a boolean value. Now I will copy and paste this checkbox, Control D to copy downwards. Now I will writing a logic here which is very easy to basic to intermediate user. I will be using the if condition. So if this particular cell is equals to false, then nothing. And then another if this is nested, the cell timestamp which is D5 is equals to blank, then insert a time and the date. From now function we will using now function, else again the similar cell of its timestamps and then close the bracket and just copy and paste this logic. Now as soon as I check box, you can see a value is being generated here. So we know that the data and the time basically are the numbers on the back end. So we need to correct the format. So I will select this range and you can press Control 1 or right click, go to format cells. We will go to custom and let's do certain settings for how we want to see date and time here or timestamp here. So we want a day, then month, then year. So we need a time. So hours, minutes and seconds. Okay. Hour, minute and seconds. And then we need to apply AM/PM. Okay. So this is the format. You can see this is the custom formatting type. Okay. Now let us press OK and we got the date. We got our first timestamp. So let's add another timestamp. So now you can see it. And when I uncheck this, it's gone. And when again check mark, this is a new timestamp, right? So this is how you can utilize this trick using and creating timestamps in Microsoft Excel. Thank you.